Hello, my name is Hannah Peterkin. I bet everyone here today has at least one time in their life thought about changing their body. Now, I'm not talking about surgery. I'm talking about losing weight, gaining muscle, and things of that nature. There's no exact guide on how to take care of your body, but looking at things from a holistic standpoint can broaden your understanding. Today, I'll share with you two examples of perseverance. First, I'll explain Aesop's fable, The Crow and the Pitcher, to demonstrate a nearly fatal experience, but the perseverance of the crow caused it to win its battle. Then I'll share my own personal story, but slightly more detailed and way less dramatic than the crow's. To begin, let's focus on the Aesop fable, The Crow and the Pitcher. The Crow and the Pitcher isn't a recognizable fable, so allow me to introduce the plot and what the Aesop teaches us. As restated by the website Aesop's Fable, last retrieved on August 29th of 2021, Aesop tells us a story about a crow who's half dead and is in desperate need of a drink of water. In search of water, the crow finally came across a pitcher, and the pitcher was high and narrow and had very little water in it. When the crow sticks its beak into the pitcher, it sees that it's impossible to get a drink of water, and gives up. Then the crow comes back with the idea to put pebbles into the pitcher, and with each drop of a pebble, the water rose higher and higher, and the crow was finally able to get a drink, and his life was saved. The Crow and the Pitcher shows us that no matter how tough things get, we must persevere in anything that we do, even when it seems like we're on our last leg. Following that very interesting tale, let's take a look at a more relatable example. When I was younger, I had an issue with losing weight and keeping it off. I was a very active child. I did running club, jump rope club, volleyball, dance, cheerleading, and track and field. Yet everything I was doing didn't seem to make a difference, and I started to get discouraged and lose hope. Let's go back to the end of 2020, where I got the best news of my life as to why my body works the way that it does. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a hormonal disorder and is one of the most common causes of infertility. According to CDC.gov, PCOS affects 6 to 15% of U.S. women of the reproductive age, which is as many as 5 million. The fact that I learned this great yet worrisome information about myself was extremely eye-opening. Every day, we're learning and evolving. That's a part of maturing. Knowing our limitations and understanding ourselves from a holistic standpoint can be extremely beneficial. Now, my story was nowhere near a life or death situation, like the Aesop's fable, The Crow and the Pitcher, but both stories have a similar lesson. Individual changes will always occur. However, it's how you overcome those challenges and get through it that matters. Even though you may be struggling with something, whether it be financially, emotionally, socially, spiritually, and even mentally, just know that things little by little will get you closer to the better version of yourself that you want to be. Thank you. Are there any questions?